Hi, hello. So, our friend Tanner has a problem, but before anything else, if you want to watch this video in Português, fala português, I will upload it. So, in a day tops, I promise. Be patient. And if you want to watch the other videos that are in Portuguese and English, I am trying to upload them. So, okay, be cool. Be cool. So, our friend Tanner has a problem. He has a company and it's a really cool company, but he's a very smart fellow. And every time there's a new client, he has a set of tasks that repeat themselves. Like, for instance, every time there's a new client, he has to welcome client, has to upload the welcome client, has to send the welcome package, those basic things. The problem is, and I will show you the problem, and I will show you how to fix the problem. So let's go. But before that, hi, how are you? My name is Tash. This is Notion Tips, a channel that I answer questions about Notion. And soon I will probably, hopefully, upload some tutorials. So yeah, leave a comment, like, subscribe, send that to your grandma. She won't probably understand anything, but let's go. Mic down. I hope you're still listening to me. Let's go. So let's see. We have this client, this project for this client. Why this is so slow? Okay, we have problems. So we have this client. His name is James Dond, and we already have here the task: welcome client, send welcome package, blah blah. So what most people would do is if they want to do every time they create a new project, they want to have these tasks. Here's what everyone would do, including me, when I did this. So I'm gonna name this template just for the sake, and I'll come here. These are the tasks. I always put a prefix just to make it easier because I have a bunch of them. So I'm gonna add these, and yeah, way to go. We are done. Back, and yeah, what else should I do? Oh yeah, I should make this the default. So I'm gonna click here, and yay, we have the same tasks and it's already done. But yeah, why did I made this in all caps? So I'm gonna double click here, and I'm gonna what is happening? Oh wait, what is happening is, guys, that this task is this task. They're the same tasks. They are just like showing up in two different places. So what happened is that when you add the tasks here, it's not like you're creating new tasks, is that you're basically telling the templates that every time there's a new project, this new project is going to be linked to these tasks. The new project won't create new tasks. They're just going to link to the old new one, to the old new ones. No, to the old ones. So this not it's not helpful. Same thing if you create like a template for subtasks. Like let me show here. So let's pretend this is a sub item. Oops, not dependencies. Sub advanced untitled. So let me put this as subtasks. So if you create a template for tasks and they have subtasks, and the subtasks are these, it's gonna be the same thing. I don't know why I showed this thing. Sorry. So here's what we're gonna do. By the way, this is really basic because Tanner seems like a smart person. So yeah. So I'm gonna go here, and first things first. Sorry, this is so slow. We're probably gonna want to see like all the project tasks. So I'm gonna put a linked view of the database. And I'm gonna add tasks and project tasks. done. Let's hide this, guys, please. Don't let the name here. It looks so ugly. And we're gonna filter by project, because when you create a new project, you just want to see the tasks that belong to that project. So you're gonna come here and, oh wait, I accidentally made two. So it must be project template. We gotta filter by project template. So here, let's remove these. That's not gonna happen anymore. Of course, it's gonna be empty. And what is gonna happen is that when you create a new project, the new, how can I explain? It won't be written here project template. It will be written the name of the new project. But that doesn't work with the tasks, okay? So what we're gonna do is, oh, I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, like, just put here, welcome client and upload welcome package, etc., etc. Doesn't work again. Let's do a new one here. So it's gonna show here, upload welcome package, new one, yeah, both of them. But if you click here and you change this to hello, yeah, you see it's linked to both of them. So not an option again. And I know it's weird, but it makes sense at the same time. So let's delete those two. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a button. And buttons are really cool. You click them and they do stuff automatically. So you're gonna create a new button. You're gonna add a step, and you're gonna add a page too. So every line in a database is also a page, and every page in a database is also a line. So you're gonna add a line or a page or a new task in tasks, and you're gonna name here whatever you want. In this case, welcome client. You can add properties like tags, like welcome, email, and you're gonna add another property that is going to be, oh, I forget always to, project, because you want this text to be related to some project. And here is the thing, you're gonna click here, this page, and it's not gonna be the template page, but it's gonna be, the page that will be generated by this template. So you're gonna do this. You have another, you're gonna click here, and I'm gonna put upload. Oh wow, I type so fast. So you can probably put like an icon and name it, but I feel like when you put just like the link, it looks so hella cute. So you're just gonna leave it there. We're gonna go here, we're gonna create a new, I don't know, Fabio, that's the name of the project, and you're just gonna click here, and yeah, you did it. So let's go back and be like, oh, okay, but I already know what's gonna happen. Let's do a new one. This is gonna call Inigo Montoya. Never watched that movie, really wanna watch, always forget. Let's click again, and instead of welcome client, let's change this to hello. And oh wait, it didn't change. Like, really? Yes. So this is one task. You can even click again and they're gonna show. So these are different tasks. So that's how you do it. I really hope that helped. If you did, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and I don't know, send to your grandma. She might not understand anything, but it will help me. Okay, so I really hope it helps. If you have any questions, leave in the comments or hit me up on Discord, because yeah, you already know Tanner, but not other people. So hopefully I can help you again. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a nice day.